Now let us discuss 132 question. The rate constant for first order reaction is, okay, the time required to reduce 2.0 gram of reactant to 0.2 gram. Here what they given that the rate constant for first order reaction, rate constant is equal to 4.606 into 10 power minus 3 second inverse. Okay, and time, here they are asking that how much is time required to reduce 2.0 gram to 0.2 gram. We know that from first order reaction, rate constant equal to 2.303 by T into log of R naught initial by final. Okay, here you have to find out time. Then we write the equation to T equal to 2.303 by K into log of R naught initial by final. Then substitute the above values. T equal to 2.303 by, here K, the rate constant value is 4.606 into 10 power minus 3 into log of, here initial concentration is 2.0 by final concentration is 0.2. You can simplify. T is equal to 2.303 by 4.606 into 10 cube into log of 2 by 0.2. Now multiply 10 on both sides. 10 by 10 you will get time is equal to 2.303 by 4.606 into 10 cube. Here log of 20 by 2. 20 by 2 becomes 1. You know that log 10 is equal to 1. Then T is equal to this value, whole value equal to 1. Then time is equal to 3.30 by 4.606 into 10 cube. Here minus 3 present in division, it will comes to the numerator side, it becomes positive. 2.303 by 4.606, that gives rise to 1 by 2. Rewrite the equation in, then T is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 power 3 second. Here T is equal to 0.5, 1 by 2 equal to 0.5 into 10 cube second. Here T is equal to 0.5 into 1000. It gives rise to 500 seconds. So our answer is C is our 3 is our correct answer.